Hi Tech Explorers! Welcome back to Nexus Tech Planet.
Today, we're diving into the world of storage devices, hard disk drives, solid-state drives, and NVMe drives. Let's get started. First, let's understand what these devices are. A hard disk drive, or HDD, is a traditional storage device that uses spinning disks to read/write data. We have desktop SATA and laptop SATA versions. Next, we have solid-state drives, or SSDs. These come in various forms like SATA SSDs, SATA M.2, and the faster M.2 NVMe. HDDs have a rich history. Initially, they were expensive and slow. Over time, prices dropped, and technology improved. Early HDDs required manual defragmentation, but modern ones have auto-defragmentation. Despite their disadvantages like weight, noise, and susceptibility to physical damage, HDDs are still popular for their low cost and ease of data recovery. Many servers still use HDDs. You can even use them as external drives with SATA to USB adapters. SSDs started as a premium option, but have become more affordable. They offer significant advantages over HDDs: no moving parts, lower power consumption, and higher speeds. However, they can overheat and are pricier. Let's compare these storage options. HDDs are cheaper, but slower, and less durable. SSDs are faster and more reliable, but cost more. NVMe drives offer the best performance, but at a higher price. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. See you next time on Nexus Tech Planet.